All right, good morning, my friends. So today we are going to focus on some of our vocabulary words. And vocabulary words are words that we need to know in order to understand a story, um, in order to just know the meaning of words. When we're writing, when we're reading, to help us understand a story better, we have vocabulary words that we learn before we read a story. So, today we are going to look at the vocabulary words that we have for this week. And our vocabulary words for the week are shown here. So, we have the picture and then we have the word. So just from looking at the pictures, what do you think are the theme of our vocabulary words are for this week? That is right. You are correct. We are looking at shapes. So these are shapes. So I have some examples of shapes that I would like to show you. And I am, let's just take a look at what our words are for this week. We have the word cube, circle, square, and triangle. So we're going to look at those, and I'm going to show you some real life examples. So our first vocabulary word is cube. Can you say the word cube? Yeah, cube. So this is a cube. A cube is a three-dimensional shape. Can you say 3D? Good. 3D shapes are shapes that are solid. This is a solid shape. And I like to remind my kids when we talk about 3D shapes that 3D shapes are shapes that pop out at you. They're not flat, they're solid, and they pop out. So this is a cube, and that is one of our words this week is cube. Can you say cube? Very good. Another word that we have this week is circle. Can you say circle? Good. A circle is a 2D shape. Can you say 2D? Yes. 2D means that it's flat, okay? It does not pop out at you, so it's 2D and it's flat. And this is a circle. A circle has round sides. It doesn't have any sides that stick out. It's just round. And you guys know what a circle is. Good. Circle. Another word that we have this week is triangle. A triangle. What do you know about triangles? Yeah. Is a triangle a 2D or a 3D shape? If it's flat, it's a 2D shape. Very good. It is a 2D shape. A triangle is a 2D shape that has three sides. So let's look at it. 1, 2, 3. And it has three corners here, three vertices. 1, 2, 3. This is a triangle. Very good. And then our last vocabulary word for today is what shape is this? If you remember your shapes, this is a square. Very good. If you said square, go ahead and kiss yourself on the brain and go, mwah, I'm smart. Good. This is a square. So a square is also a 2D shape because it is smooth and it is flat. And how many sides does a square have? 1, 2, 3, 4. A square is a shape that has 4 sides. Can you think of anything that has the same shape as a square? Very good. So these are our words. So let's say them again. We've got cube. Say cube. Cube. We have, what is this one? Circle. Very good. A circle. We have this shape. What is this shape? What is this word? Triangle. This is a triangle. Very good. And the last word. What is this shape? This is a square. Awesome. So now what we are going to do, and I'm going to go back to my screen, what you are going to do is you are going to get your journals out and you are going to open to a blank page and we are going to draw a picture of our vocabulary words. You're going to draw a picture of the vocabulary words that we just talked about, and then you are going to write the words underneath your picture. So it's important that we keep a journal of all of the words that we learn so that if we forget something, we can always go back to that page and look at our journals. Okay, so you're going to open your journal that I sent home with you, draw the pictures of the words. So we've got cube, circle, square, and triangle. You're going to draw the picture and then you're going to write the word below it. So go ahead and pause this video so that you can write your words in your journal. All right, now that you have your words written down inside of your journal, you are going to complete this page inside of your Myview literacy book. Okay, so this is on page 40, so it has the apple at the bottom and it has 4 and a 0, so that's the number 40. And what you have to do is you have to try to remember the words that we talked about, and if you need help, you can look inside of your journal. And remember, we're going to look at the word. So this is the word cube, and you're going to find the picture over here, and we're going to draw the line to the picture. So cube, you draw a line to the cube. What about circle? Where will we draw a line? Where's the circle at over here? That's right. If you said the blue circle right here, then you would get your pencil and you would draw a line to the circle. Okay, so I'm going to let you do the last two on your own, but inside of your journal on page 40, you are going to draw a line from the vocabulary word to the picture. When you are done, you can take a picture and you can upload it or send it to me. Also, I will have this template inside of Seesaw if you don't have your journals with you. All right, let's go ahead and let's review these words one more time. What is this word right here? Remember what this is called? This is a cube. Very good. What is this word? Circle. What is this word? Square. And what is the last word? Triangle. Awesome. All right. Can't wait to see you guys in a little bit. Bye-bye.